happy feet. E for elephant, mighty and wise, marching proudly under the skies. F for fish, in the water it flows, swishing its tail wherever it goes. G for giraffe, tall and neat, nibbling leaves with a stretch so sweet. H for horse, galloping fast, running through meadows never last. I for ibex, on cliffs so steep, climbing high with a daring leap. J for jaguar, silent and sleek, prowling the jungle, hide and seek. K for kangaroo, bouncing with glee, carrying her joey so carefully. L for lion, with a mighty roar, king of the land, hear him soar. M for monkey, swinging with grace, laughing and jumping all over the place. N for number, stripy and shy, sniffing for insects as ants pass by. O for owl, who hoots at night, watching the woods in the pale moonlight. P for penguin, waddle and slide on the icy shore, side by side. Q for quail, with feathers so neat, dancing gently with tiny feet. R for rabbit, in gardens it plays, hopping and nibbling all its days. S for snake, slithering slow, through rocks and sand it loves to go. T for tiger, with stripes so bold, creeping through jungles brave and cold. U for urial, horns curled tight, climbing high in morning light. V for vulture, soaring high, circling slow in the open sky. W for walrus, big and round, flopping on ice without a sound. X for Zurus, squirrel so quick, digging and munching, choosing a stick. U for yak, furry and wide, walking the mountains with careful stride.